Hey snack lovers, today I'm sharing some amazing healthy protein popcorn recipes that'll make your movie nights, sports events, and social gatherings absolutely pop. Let's dive right into it. Popcorn is the perfect snack for any occasion. It's light, fluffy, and oh so versatile. Whether you're cheering for your favorite team, hosting a cozy movie night, or just looking for a healthy snack to share, I've got you covered. First up, let's talk about the basics. Cooking popcorn is super easy. You can use the microwave method. Just toss 1 to 4 cups of kernels into a brown paper bag, fold it over, and pop it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Or use a microwave-safe bowl with a lid. Either way, you'll have perfectly popped corn in no time. Now, let's jazz it up with some protein-packed goodness. Here's a simple and delicious recipe to get you started. Start with a large bowl of freshly popped popcorn. Lightly spray it with your favorite cooking oil. Then sprinkle a little sugar. I prefer granulated, but brown sugar or a sugar substitute works too. Season it with a dash of cinnamon for a sweet twist. Finally, add a generous sprinkle of your favorite protein powder. Mix it all up well, and you've got a tasty, healthy snack that's perfect for entertaining guests. Feeling nutty? Try this next recipe. You'll need 2 cups of mixed nuts and a teaspoon of melted butter. Add your popped popcorn and flavor it with your choice of seasoning. For a sweet treat, mix in some cinnamon or nutmeg. If you're in the mood for something savory, add a dash of salt or even some cayenne pepper for a spicy kick. Craving something creamy? Peanut butter popcorn is the way to go. While your popcorn is popping, melt a tablespoon of peanut butter in a saucepan with 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of white sugar, and a tablespoon of butter. Once it's all melted and combined, drizzle it over your popcorn and stir well. Let it cool before serving, and you've got a creamy, dreamy snack that's perfect for any occasion. These recipes aren't just for sports events or movie nights. They make fantastic homemade gifts, too. Package them up in cute bags with ribbons and bows for a thoughtful, delicious present that anyone will love. So next time you're planning a gathering, don't stress about the snacks. Whip up some of these healthy protein popcorn recipes and watch your guests' faces light up with joy. Happy snacking, and see you next time.